Nicole.
Hey, girl.
Thank you for inviting me.
Of course. So welcome to the community garden.
It is so cute.
Yes. So I wanted to show you this style of gardening because there's a lot of good benefits to it. One thing that is so good about it is that you are socializing with all of these experienced gardeners. So each plot is usually owned by someone in the community, and a lot of the times they've been doing it for years. So you can ask them questions and...
You know I have questions.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we all do, especially when we get started. So it's nice to be able to learn from these experienced people.
I love that
Yeah.
if you don't have space, you can still garden here.
Exactly. It's perfect if you live in an apartment but really want to get into growing. They're all around the country, probably in your city too, where you can just go out and find them and be able to start growing.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Oh, and a lot of the times too, there's different community events that they'll host,
Like what?
like yoga. And,
Stop.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you know I'm a yogi.
I know.
Right.
So it's a great way to get involved, learn, and then utilize this public space.
I love it. Come here,
Yeah.
come here. Okay, I could grow something like this.
Of course.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.